We started August 16th, 2016. After 10 years of Chapeau in Bloemendaal, we started our restaurant with Claudia. And the philosophy is, was easygoing, gastronomical, but definitely not high-end. But within no time we had guests that were demanding foie gras, langoustine, wagyu, and we kind of followed in that to get revenue as a new starters. And 2 months later, Michelin awarded us with 2 stars, Gomio with 19 points. So the tornado, the beast, got unleashed, and since then it's been running. Not looking back, and since 3-4 months now, we actually feel that our restaurant has structure and a foundation. The right people are at the right spots, the right managers, the right sous chefs. Consists now of 22 people. We started with 8, so we have grown like an immense tempo. We have 6 guys in the kitchen, in the main kitchen, and 3 guys in our kitchen chef's table. And a chef's table is actually a concept where interaction takes place. So the cooks prepare the dishes, but also serve the dishes and explain flavors or textures. So usually it's a quite enjoyable place. And we have 10 or 12 tasting courses, which are small bites. I don't want to call them tapas, but that size. And in the restaurant, we serve our a la carte, of course, but also 6 and 8 courses. So there's plenty to discover at restaurant Tribeca.